GIS maps available to identify the closest communities, environmental, cultural heritage, as well as impact zones in the area of influence. So we have the GIS maps to identify any receptors or any protected areas, which I had shown you on the map. So online GIS maps managed by various national agencies is available to identify the different land use, environmental theme protected areas, cultural heritage sites, etc. The next question is there an OPCO contractor that is currently managing relations with communities and other stakeholders in the area of influence? If so, who do they contact for issue or concern? Project is at the moment in feed stage, so at the moment, specifically for this project, there may not be any stakeholder engagement, especially with the local communities, fishing or recreational boats activities. However, at NOC Offshore, appointment government relations officers at corporate level to liaise with identified stakeholders. This is not a correct statement. NOC Offshore, appointment government relations officers at corporate level responsible for the You also have the SRM team at NAC Offshore, SRM or OSRM team. Anyhow, we can go. Has the development concept been selected by taking social risks into account? Do significant risks remain? There is no difference observed in has the different concepts been selected by taking social. Okay, this is about the concept selection. So if there are more than one concept to finalize one concept,
no, but we are in the feed stage. So
yes. So previously did we consider different social aspects in selection of the of this what is now the final design? So did we consider, or we can say not applicable at this stage?
Better we will put not applicable.
No. Okay. Now the question is about the socio-economic profile of the communities can be. There are no communities in the area of influence, so no socio-economic profile. However, I can just explain what is this. This is about if due to the project there are changes in the income earning of the people, positively or negatively. If they lose their livelihood sources or they get more livelihood sources like labor or jobs on the project. So we are talking only about the project area, not the entire nation or entire UAE. Obviously, the project will have a positive impact at higher level. But at project level, there are no communities, so no change in material living conditions means they are getting, due to increased incomes, they are getting better material living conditions like cars or furniture or other things. They are using better health indicators or health infrastructure, like if they have better incomes now they can go to better hospitals, things. Same is with the education and skills, livelihood and occupations. So this project there are no communities close by, no changes in their livelihoods, no socioeconomic changes, so nothing is applicable for this project. Is there a risk of involuntary resettlement? Involuntary resettlement means if there are housings, there are people close by, so you due to the project activities, they need to be relocated involuntarily. So then this question applies, but in this case there is no such impact. Okay, 15. Are there cultural heritage elements recognized and are used by stakeholders in the area of influence? Tangible cultural heritage means if there are any buildings, structures which have cultural importance, and intangible cultural heritage means knowledge, skills, innovations, practices, traditional lifestyles. So if there the project is having any impacts like cultural on tangible and